I thought I'd take a minute and go over the snap screen with you, so hopefully that will help alleviate any problems or confusion you might have. The first thing I want to point out is that after you load Snap on your computer correctly, then you have access to a lot of different items. One thing that you want to keep in mind is this link right there. On that, you can contact Snap for any product support that you may need, and that includes this live help feature up here. And also, if you need some other live support, other options are listed here, and it has email there and also a 1-800 number. Notice the times that they are available Monday through Sunday from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. They have all the different time zones there. Good feature to keep in mind. Other things on this particular link, you can actually fill in this form and send a question. And then also there on the frequently asked questions, you have information, user guides and how-tos. This is important. You may need to go to how do I take a graded or a performance evaluation or a skill exam or a tutorial if you're not quite sure how to navigate through those. All right. So in each of our weeks, for instance, the recording that I'm making right now is for fall 2014. Then you'll see the week dates here. You're going to see what chapter we're working on. It's always a good idea to kind of look over the performance objectives because it may be that you know all of these already. So that'll kind of let you know what's coming up. And if you don't know them, then you're going to be learning something new. We have an assignment sheet for each chapter. And when you click on that, it is in a Word file. If your first screen looks like this, don't be alarmed. That's just the first view, the reading view that it comes up. You can click the print layout view and then it will show normally. And then you see all the items that are going to be due this week. You can print that or save it to your computer and then you can get an idea of what's coming up. Next, we have the projects drop box. So after you complete the chapter work where you're following those items step by step, I'm asking you to load up only these 4 documents. And you upload them just like you use any other Dropbox. Please make sure that you use the exact correct file names because I will count off points if those file names are not put in correctly. And my reason for that is that it makes it much easier for me to locate a document when it is in the correct file name. You have a concept exam, that's multiple choice questions, a skills check Dropbox, and that will be an assignment that's from the end of your chapter. Occasionally I will also have you do some gradeds, which are items that you complete in Snap and then it's graded automatically. Occasionally I'm going to send you a tip on something that didn't seem to be quite clear in my opinion, so that's what you see right there, and that's just a page that I put in. And there's a tip there for you. Okay, I'm going to go back to week 1. And then you're going to have a skill exam that you'll take, and again, that is in Snap. Please notice that when you're doing any of these items in Snap, that you need to have all of your applications programs closed. Everything. You'll need to have Word closed. If you happen to have a PowerPoint open, you'll need to have that closed. And it'll tell you that. If you do have an application open, it will tell you that you need to close it before you can proceed. And then finally, over on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the different weeks here. If you want to look at all tutorials, you're welcome to do that. I haven't assigned all of them, but that link is still there. But this lets you navigate back and forth between the different weeks. And I believe that's all for now. Please contact me with any questions you might have. Thanks a bunch.